Students, this is class number 47. Let us go for solving these simple questions. So I solve from these 10 questions. I am going to explain 3 or 4. Remaining you only try. You only have to complete that first one. You take that first one. So first one is cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Clearly, this question is related to, this question is related to cos x minus y formula. You write cos x minus y formula and substitute x equals pi by 2 and y equals x in that. This is cos x minus y. Consider solution. Cos x minus y. What is cos x minus y? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. We have this formula cos x minus y. It is nothing but cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. In this formula, put x is equal to pi by 2. Y is equal to x, you will get it. So put x equals pi by 2. So you just compare. In the place of x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 ಬೇಕು, y ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಬೇಕು. ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Put x equals pi by 2 and y equals x. Y equals x, right? Cos what is x? Pi by 2 minus what is y? X is equal to cos x is pi by 2 cos y is x plus sin x is pi by 2 sin y is x. Now simplify this. Cos 90 sin 91 cos 90 0 sin 91 sin pi by 2 1 cos pi by 2 0 sin pi is 0 cos pi minus 1. By heart these basic values very important. Even in second P also you come across these values very well. You come across these values, be careful. So write cos 90 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. 0 plus sin 91 into sin x. It is sin x. We got it. How much is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. Cos 90 minus x sin x. Next I choose fourth one. So write next I choose fourth one. Fourth one is sin pi by 2 plus x is equal to cos x. Tell me formula required for this sin x plus y formula required. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. sin x plus y ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. You write sin x plus y formula. Solution sin x plus y. What is sin x plus y? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Compare. What should be substituted for x? It is pi by 2. For y, it is x. X ke pi by 2 haki, y ke x haki barutte. So put x equals pi by 2. So y equals x in this. Substitute in that. Sin x is pi by 2 plus y is x sin x is pi by 2 cos y is x plus cos x is pi by 2 sin y is x. Again simplify this. Sin 91 cos 90 is 0. 0 into everything is 0. Sin 91 1 into cos x plus cos 90 is 0. 0 into everything is 0. So it is cos x. How much is sin 90 plus x? Cos x. Even you know how to write directly also. 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta belongs to second quadrant. 90 plus theta belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. Sin is positive. Function changes or not changes? Changes. We have 90. 90 the sin ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? cos x ಬರೀರಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ. So right. You practice how to write these things directly. Look at this friends. 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Which quadrant is that? First quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. Plus sign. Function is changing or not changing? Changing. 90 270 the change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. cos ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sin. ಬರೀ theta ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You just add acute angle. Only acute angle should be added. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. pi minus x 180 minus theta. ನೋಡಿ up to here it is 180. 180 minus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. Cos value should be negative. Second quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos value negative ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Function changes or not changes? Will not change because we have 180. Pi means 180. So right, cos function change ಆಗಲ್ಲ. cos theta acute angle x. Next you come to this 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi is 360 degree. Up to here it is 360 degree. 360 plus theta first quadrant. 360 minus theta fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos value should be positive. We have positive. Function will not change. We have 360. Cos remains. You carry only acute angle, right? You practice like that. Practice writing directly because they are all very useful for higher studies. We are going to use these things everywhere, right? Now let's go for proving one more. So right. Next I take one more. Next I take the seventh one. Cos pi plus x. Cos pi plus x is equal to minus cos x. So I take seventh one. Solution. Tell me formula required for this. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? cos x plus y ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕು. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. cos x plus y. What is cos x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x plus y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Substitute. So x, for this x you write pi. For this y you write x. Put x is equal to pi. Y is equal to x. Put x is equal to pi, y is equal to x. Cos x means pi, y means x. Cos x is pi, cos y is x minus sin x is pi, sin y is x. There I written by basic values. How much is cos pi? Minus 1. Sin pi 0. Cos pi. You ನಾಲ್ಕು ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Cos pi. Pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ 180 degree. Pi means 180 degree. Substitute in that. So cos pi plus x. Cos pi is minus 1. minus 1 into cos x minus sin pi 0. 0 and everything is 0. So tell me how much is that? Minus cos x. Minus cos x. Lastly, I go for question number 10. So remaining, I leave you to solve on your own. I want to solve all questions. Remaining, you only have to solve at home. Right? So next one, you take that last one. So right, last one. So last one, sin 2 pi minus x. Sin, so 2 pi minus x is equal to minus sin x. Sin 2 pi minus x is equal to what? Minus sin x. Tell me formula required for this. Sin x minus y. Sin x minus y required. So write that solution. Solution. Sin x minus y. So tell me sin x minus y formula. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Put x is equal to 2 pi. Put x is equal to 2 pi. So y is equal to x in this. So I am going to get sin x is 2 pi. Y is x. Sin x is 2 pi. Cos y is x. Minus cos x is 2 pi. Y is x. You remember these values. Sin 2 pi 0. Sin 2 pi 0. Cos 2 pi 1. Cos 2 pi is same as cos 0 value. Cos 2 pi cos 0 value. So right. Sin 2 pi is same as sin 0 value. Sin 0. Cos 2 pi. Here is 2 pi. Here only 2 pi. 2 pi under 1 is 0 under 1 there. 2 pi under 1 is 0 under 1 there. Sin 0, sin 2 pi ella 1 there. Cos 2 pi, cos 0 ella 1 there. Because 0 and 2 pi. So right, occupy same position, same point, right? 0 will be 2 pi alagane. Same values. Cos 0. Cos 0 is same as cos 2 pi equals 1. Sin 0, sin 2 pi 0, right? Use that. Sin 2 pi 0. 0 and everything is 0. Minus cos 2 pi 1 into sin x. So I hope it is minus sin x. I hope you people can be able to solve the remaining. So right, thank you students. Students, look at this. Look at these important formulas. Prove the four identities. Identities means formulas. The trigonometric equations which are true for all values of angles x and y are called identity. A trigonometric relation which is true for all values of x and y is called identity or formula. Right? What is tan x plus y? By tan x plus y. Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. You have to buy it. You need to buy it last two. At least you buy it first two. What is tan x plus y? Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. What is tan x minus y? Tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. Now let us go for proving that. So simple. Solution first one. So I take LHS of that. LHS tan x plus y. Tan x plus y. You all know this very well. Tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Tan x, sin x by cos x. Cot x or cot theta. Cos theta by sin theta. By here these basics first. Tan means sin by cos. cot means cos by sin. इधर प्रकार होगी. What is tan x plus y? You write this as sin x plus y by cos x plus y. Sin x plus y by cos x plus y. Sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta by cos theta? Tan theta. Now you write sin x plus y formula. What is sin x plus y? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. In the denominator you write cos x plus y formula. Cos x plus y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now you look at that given question carefully. You look at that given question. By seeing that given question, you can easily decide what to do. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. For this place I want 1. ಈ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ 1 ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ I should divide every term by this much. I should divide this term, this term, this term, this term by how much? Cos x cos y. You go for dividing. Divide by cos x cos y. That means divide both numerator and denominator by this much. Why I am choosing? Why I am choosing this quantity only? Because for this place, ಈ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. 1 ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಿಂದನೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1. x by x 1, y by 1 y 1 ಆತರ. ಈ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನ ಅದರಿಂದನೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಡೂ ದಟ್ ನೌ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ tan x plus y. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, yes. And now LHS. So right, you divide. So is equal to, you divide every term. Sin x cos y by cos x cos y plus cos x sin y by cos x cos y. So divided by cos x cos y by cos x cos y minus sin x cos y minus sin x cos y sin x sin y by cos x cos y. So divide every term by this much cos x cos y. That is what I have done. Sin x, sorry, cos y get cancels. Come to this, cos x get cancels. Cos x cos y cos y. Here no term get cancels. No term getting cancelled here, right? Now write that. Now tell me remaining. Sin x by cos x. What is sin by cos? Tan x plus, come to the second one, sin y by cos y. Again sin by cos, tan y. So tan y by, so cos get cancels, cos. Tell me how much remains? 1 minus, come to this, sin x by cos x, tan x, sin by cos tan into sin by cos tan x into tan y. Sin x by cos x tan x, sin y by cos y tan y. So it is tan x into tan y. We proved RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Similarly, you go for proving the other one. Right. That man,